Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's worst gamer here, aka Bounty Killer, with another reaction. How I'm doing, you? Yeah. So from you see the blood clot thumbnail, sorry, because I'm about to do this up. From you see the thumbnail, you know what time it is. A Bounty Killer, AngerManagementRiddim. Youth, 2008, 15 years ago. Maths, do the maths. Maths add up. Yeah, maths add up. Cross, hungry. So we tell you with that one here. How me fi go throw back and I go that one here. How me fi go throw back and I go throw back that rhythm, yeah. Make we start off with the general, the warlord, the ground god. The ground Godzilla. The poor people's governor. Hey, boy. Make we hey, let's go.
Anger rate management. Warlord assess the damagement for the law.
Them time your alliance around the whole of dancehall. If you're not say alliance, you must be in appliance. Hey boy!
Anger rate management. Warlord assess the damagement for the large extent. The five-star general, the head of state, the gladiator.
Yo. Bounty Killer have the best intro in a dancehall and any song. The warlord intro them are the baddest. Hey, youth. The warlord intro them are the baddest intro them pan any youth, you hear me?
For the large extent, the five-star general, the head of state, the gladiator, that's acre. What up with them fast acre? We came for the paper, that's all. Skyscraper and a lot of acre.
Cross, hungry.
Gun no stick, any stick, a shot, a stick in a one.
He's out. Let me go again. Hey, run it again, boy. I want to hear you cross.
Anger management. Warlord assess the damagement for the large extent. The five-star general, the head of state, the gladiator, that's acre. What up with them fast acre? We came for the paper, that's all. Skyscraper and a lot of acre. Let it know.
Alliance.
Gun no stick, any stick, a shot, a stick in a boy. We no box and kick, a shot, a kick in a boy. Real boy.
Hey, the general said, gun no stick, a shot, a stick. Any stick, a shot, a stick in a boy. Hey, youth. Real McCoy. Who's the real McCoy? My father, big up yourself.
Stick a shot, a stick in a boy. We no box and kick, a shot, a kick in a boy. Real McCoy.
Youth, me not do the boxing and kick. Hey, boy, you think me a Bruce Lee? You think me a Jackie Chan? You think me a movie actor? Hey, boy, me not do box and kick, boy. I want to you shut a box and kick in a youth. Cross.
Stick any stick, a shot, a stick in a boy. We no box and kick, a shot, a kick in a boy.
Real McCoy.
Pop off ice pick in a boy. Make your top off the boat trip in a boy.
Youth. Real McCoy pop off ice pick in a hey, take out my glass, you know not trouble, you know. Real McCoy pop off ice pick in a boy. Make doctor have to put drip in a boy. Listen, man. The killer appear in some graphics words. Hey, boy.
Boy, real McCoy. Pop off ice pick in a boy. Make your top off the boat trip in a boy. Them just attack ya. Man, no, ya. Don't them in the day, me not feel it till all the dark ya.
Hey, them boy they just attack. Them boy they know say yo, but we not no heart. We not no heart. We are done in another day. Hey, boy. We are done in another day. We not wait till it dark. Make a day. Cause we not no fear. We name Warlord, a.k.a. Mr. Anger Management.
Kicking a boy, real McCoy. Pop off ice pick in a boy. Make your top off the boat trip in a boy. Them just attack ya. Man, no, ya. Don't them in the day, me not feel it till all the dark ya. Head of state, them should not make me rot ya. Shut off life, and them can't find the starter.
Head of state, them shouldn't make me rot ya. Shut off life and them can't find the starter. Hey boy, them man treat you like a one car key. Shut off your life and them can't find the starter. We start it back. Youth. Hey youth, are they generally I rampant? You know, say them man they not really too laugh and talk with people. Hey boy, know yourself.
Head of state, them should not make me rot ya. Shut off life, and them can't find the starter. Talk to them, if the war start again, it never done in the middle, not the sun, this whole place, give me talk to them.
If the war starts on the big day, brother, when black rain don't fall, the place I got turn dark again. Youth, now middle day, I'm gonna make it turn dark. At that the general mean, at that him say, No make the general argue. If the general argue, him a go get hungry. If him get hungry, him a go run you down. If him run you down, him a go tired. If him tired, him a go get vexed. If him get vexed, people a go youth.
If the war start again, it a go down in a the middle of the sun. This whole place getting dark to them. Cut out them tongue 6 feet underground, Can't drive by.
Cut out them tongue 6 feet underground. Cut out them tongue because them chat too much. Columbia necktie, ya get youth. You have to know yourself.
This whole place getting dark to them. Cut out them tongue 6 feet underground, Can't drive by, people cry and walk and them no city body.
Can't drive by, people walk and them a grung. People no business with them dirty body. Lean up, look like a suck-out bag juice. Hey, youth!
The young feet underground, Can't drive by, people cry and walk and them no city body. The young and if you looking at me gun, you know Teflon start back again. Body down to the mark again. Can't this fall hard again. Gunshots separate body from bone.
Youth, the man say gunshot separate body from bone. What mean this up? He might tell you say gunshot separate your flesh from your bone. And that he mean the man no clone. I want to hear youth. Who and general?
Can't this fall hard again. Gunshot separate body from bone. Gunshot send a fussy wall. When they say home to the zones of bone, never left me room. Me and me gonna room like 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Boss me gun in a bag and me no drop a spent shell.
Youth. Me and me gonna room just like 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Boss me gun in a one bag. Me no drop spent shell. No evidence. Youth. The man I tell us I'm gonna put one bag round him matic and clap it. You know, so when time it clap, anything jump out, I go jump out in the bag. You're deaf. You're deaf. You're fool. You're not no ears. You're blind. You can't picture what the general say.
Me and me gonna room like 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Boss me gun in a bag and me no drop a spent shell. Violate killer. And your skin get correct. Gunshot stop heartbeat and shut down brain cell. Me son cartel. I just get in myself. Body start drop and the war no start well. With a gunshot stick up and skin like hell. And him and the warrior church. Talk to them. If the war start again, then you go down in the middle of the sun. This whole place getting dark to them. Cut out them tongue 6 feet underground, Can't drive by, people cry and walk and them no see the body they are wrong. And if you looking at me gun, you know Teflon start back again. Body down to the mark again. Can't this fall hard again. Gun no stick, any stick a shot a stick in a wall. We no box and kick a shot a kick in a.
Yo, big up that sake of the Riddim and youth. This Riddim I need for forward back in 2024. We need back that anger management a Riddim. Which one of them artists a bad way can go up and a Riddim. Youth!
Gun no stick, any stick a shot a stick in a wall. We no box and kick a shot a kick in a wall. Read my cry, pop off I speak in a wall. Make doctor off the boat trip in a wall. Them just attack ya, man no ya. Don't them in the day, me no feel it till all the dark ya. And I see it, them should no make me rat ya. Shoot off life, and them can't find the starter. Talk to them, if the war start again, it can go down in the middle of the sun. This whole place getting dark to them. Cut out them tongue 6 feet underground, Can't drive by, people cry and walk and them no see the body they are wrong. And if you looking at me gun, you know Teflon start back again. Body down to the mark again. Can't this fall hard again. Gunshot separate body from bone. Gunshot send a fussy wall. When me say home to the zones of bone, never left me room. Me and me gonna room like 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Boss me gun in a bag and me no drop a spent shell. Violate killer. And your skin get correct. Gunshot stop heartbeat and shut down brain cell. Me son cartel. I just get in myself.
The man say, yo, my son cartel. I casket him myself. I casket the GSL.
Gunshot stop heartbeat and shut down brain cell. Me son cartel. I casket him myself. Body start drop and the war no start well. With a gunshot stick.
Body start drop and the war no start well. Them body a drop not our one. We are the one.
I just get in myself. Body start drop and the war no start well. Hey, gunshot stick up and skin like hell. And him and the warrior church.
Man say, yo, me a the warlord and cartel at the war here in jail. Bust the skull and make boy blood run red like Pascal. I want to hear youth.
Gunshot stick up and skin like hell. And him and the warrior church. Talk to them. If the war start again, they are down in the middle of the sun. This whole place getting dark to them. Cut out them tongue 6 feet underground, Can't drive by, people cry and walk and them no see the body they are wrong. And if you looking at me gun, you know Teflon start back again. Body down back to the mark again. Can't this warlord again.
Get your
One warlord, one general. Hey boy, anybody not like that song ya? Something wrong with who? One general in a dance hall, see me. The warlord, the killer. How I'm to the youth. Them time they when alliance are rain. Everything else is strain. Them are strain to get up, brother. Them can't handle, them can't keep up. All the top guns them in alliance. That Riddim here come set a statement. Anger management. Enough bad song up on the Riddim. Enough bad song up on the Riddim. Whole alliance up on the Riddim. Youth, cross, hungry. If you enjoy the one you want to see more from your G, you know what to do. Throwback, flashback, whatever you want to call it. But we are going back in a memory lane for the hits them. Youth, I'll see you guys on the next one. Cross, hungry, Mr. Rebel, left.
Jamaica's worst gamer.